Have you ever considered that something you do every single day, perhaps even multiple times, without a second thought, could be silently causing you discomfort or issues you just put up with? It's a habit so ingrained, so routine, that it probably never crosses your mind as a potential source of trouble. Yet, for many men, especially as we get a bit older, this seemingly innocent daily act can lead to irritation, dryness, or a general feeling of unease that we often just dismiss as part of aging, or something to quietly tolerate. But what if I told you that a simple, common mistake you're likely making in the shower, something a specialist like a urologist or penis surgeon sees the consequences of all the time, could be easily corrected? It's a painful reality for too many, leading to unnecessary discomfort and worry. In this video, we're going to uncover this surprising daily shower mistake and then look at several other easy-to-adopt habits that will dramatically improve your intimate comfort and overall well-being. It's about taking control of those little daily details that add up to a much more comfortable, confident you. Watch to the end for something that will surprise you. Let's dive right into what many men, especially as we get a bit older, might be doing wrong every single day without even realizing it. And it all happens in the shower, during that moment of cleansing and refreshment. The biggest, most common mistake. It often comes down to the kind of soap you're using and how you're using it on your most sensitive areas. Think about it for a moment. What kind of soap do you typically grab? Is it that big, boldly fragranced bar soap? Or that brightly colored body wash that promises to wake you up with a zesty scent? While these might feel invigorating on your arms or legs, they can be absolutely devastating for the delicate skin and sensitive balance of your intimate areas. You see, the skin down there is remarkably different from the skin on, say, your elbow. It's thinner, much more sensitive, and has a very specific pH level that's crucial for maintaining its natural protective barrier. Most conventional soaps and body washes, especially those with strong fragrances, dyes, or harsh detergents like sulfates, are designed to strip away dirt and oils aggressively. While this might be fine for some parts of your body, when used on your intimate parts, they strip away too much of those natural, beneficial oils. They disrupt the delicate pH balance, turning an acidic environment, which naturally protects against harmful bacteria and fungi, into an alkaline one. This isn't just about feeling dry. It creates an opening, an invitation for irritation, redness, itchiness, and even uncomfortable infections. Imagine trying to clean a fine silk shirt with heavy-duty laundry detergent meant for greasy rags. You wouldn't. Right, because you know it would damage the fabric. Our intimate skin deserves that same level of thoughtful care. So, what's the actionable step here? It's quite simple. Switch to a mild, unscented, pH-balanced cleanser specifically designed for sensitive skin, or even better, an intimate wash. These products are formulated to gently cleanse without stripping away essential moisture or disrupting your natural pH. If you're unsure, look for terms like hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, or pH-balanced on the label. And how you use it matters too. You don't need a vigorous scrubbing session down there. A gentle wash with your hands, using a small amount of the right cleanser, is more than enough. Lather it gently. Cleanse the entire area, including under the foreskin if you're uncircumcised. That's a crucial area where dead skin cells and natural oils can accumulate, forming a substance called smegma, which can lead to irritation and odor if not gently and thoroughly cleaned daily. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water, not scalding hot water, which can also be drying and irritating, but comfortably warm. Think of it like tending a delicate garden. You wouldn't douse tender plants with harsh chemicals. You'd use gentle, nourishing water. Your intimate health is no different. Making this one small change, switching your soap and being gentle in your washing technique, can alleviate so much of that nagging discomfort, dryness, and irritation that many men over 60 just passively accept. It's about respecting the delicate ecosystem of your own body. This isn't just about cleanliness, it's about comfort, peace of mind, and preventing issues before they even start. It's a foundational step towards better intimate health, one that a specialist would tell you is paramount. Once you start using the right products and the right technique, you'll likely notice a difference within days. It truly is a game changer for daily comfort. Now that we've really zeroed in on that crucial shower habit, let's expand our focus to a few more simple adjustments you can make in your daily routine that will truly make a difference to your comfort and health downstairs. Now that we've really zeroed in on that crucial shower habit and the importance of using the right gentle cleanser, let's expand our focus to a few more simple adjustments you can make in your daily routine that will truly make a difference to your comfort and health downstairs. The second key habit, and one that often goes overlooked, is how you dry yourself after that gentle wash. Many of us jump out of the shower and give ourselves a quick, vigorous rub with a towel, focusing on getting dry as quickly as possible. But for your intimate areas, this rough towel drying can be just as irritating as using a harsh soap. The delicate skin is still damp and sensitive. An abrasive friction can cause micro-tears or exacerbate any existing irritation. What's more, if you don't dry thoroughly enough, leaving residual moisture, you're creating a warm, damp environment that's a breeding ground for bacteria and fungi. Think about it moist. Dark places are where things like athlete's foot thrive. The same principle applies here. The actionable step here is simple instead of rubbing. Pat. After your shower, gently pat your intimate areas dry with a soft, clean towel. Take your time, ensuring the skin is completely dry before you get dressed. You might even find it beneficial to air dry for a few minutes if time allows, just to ensure every crevice is thoroughly dry. This small adjustment significantly reduces irritation and the risk of fungal or bacterial growth, leading to more comfort and fewer issues. It's about being patient and kind to your body, recognizing that these areas need a little more tenderness. Moving on from that, our third habit involves what you put on after you dry your choice of underwear. Many men stick with the same underwear they've worn for years, perhaps without considering if it's truly serving their comfort and health as they age. Synthetic fabrics, tight fits, or even very old, worn-out underwear can contribute to problems. Synthetic materials like polyester or nylon might feel smooth, but they often don't breathe well. They trap heat and moisture against your skin, creating that same problematic damp, warm environment we just talked about. This can lead to increased sweating, chafing, and a higher risk of skin irritation or infections. Similarly, underwear that is too tight restricts airflow and can cause constant friction, especially if you're active. The solution is to embrace breathable fabrics, primarily cotton. Cotton is a natural fiber that allows air to circulate, wicking away moisture and helping to keep the area cool and dry. Look for underwear that fits well, not too tight, not too loose, allowing for comfortable movement and adequate ventilation. Boxer briefs or loose-fitting boxers are often excellent choices for promoting airflow. Make it a habit to change your underwear daily. And even more often if you've been particularly active or sweating a lot. Think of it as creating a comfortable, airy home for your skin, rather than a stuffy, damp cupboard. This simple wardrobe adjustment can make a world of difference in reducing heat buildup, moisture, and potential irritation. Next, let's talk about something that impacts your entire body's health, including your intimate areas' hydration. It might seem obvious, but many of us, especially as we get older, don't drink enough water throughout the day. Dehydration doesn't just make you feel thirsty or sluggish, it affects the health of your skin everywhere, making it drier, less elastic, and more prone to irritation and even cracking. If your skin isn't properly hydrated from within, it loses its natural suppleness and protective barrier function. This can lead to increased sensitivity and discomfort in delicate areas. The actionable step here is to make conscious efforts to drink enough water throughout the day. The exact amount varies by individual, But a good general guideline is to aim for around 8 glasses of water daily. Perhaps more if you're active or if it's warm. Keep a water bottle handy. Drink water with meals, and even set reminders on your phone if you struggle to remember. Staying well hydrated helps your skin maintain its natural moisture, which in turn supports its barrier function and resilience. It's a foundational element of overall health that translates directly to better comfort and reduced risk of dryness and irritation in your intimate areas. It's a simple internal adjustment that supports all the external care we've discussed. Finally, and this ties into the very core of why a penis surgeon might share these insights, is the habit of regular self-awareness and gentle self-examination. This isn't about being paranoid, but rather about being attuned to your own body and noticing subtle changes early on. Many men might feel uncomfortable or even avoid looking at or touching their intimate areas beyond routine washing. However, getting to know what feels normal for you is incredibly empowering. It allows you to quickly identify anything that's out of the ordinary, whether it's an unusual lump, a persistent patch of redness, an unexplained discharge, or a new discomfort. Make it a habit to simply observe your intimate areas periodically, perhaps once a week, during or after your shower. When you're already in a private setting, look for changes in skin color, texture, any new growths, or areas of tenderness. Gently feel for any lumps or bumps that weren't there before. The key is gentle familiarity, not anxiety. If you notice anything unusual that persists for more than a few days, or if you experience pain, persistent itching, or discharge, it's crucial to consult your doctor. They can provide an accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment. This isn't a substitute for professional medical advice, but rather a vital first line of defense. Early detection of any issues, big or small, often leads to simpler, more effective treatment. This habit of self-awareness empowers you to take proactive steps for your health. Rather than letting concerns fester or worsen, it's about listening to your body and giving yourself the best chance for comfort and peace of mind. So, we've talked about transforming your shower routine from a potential source of irritation to a gentle, cleansing ritual by choosing the right, mild soap and patting dry instead of rubbing. We've explored the importance of what you wear, remembering to choose breathable cotton underwear to keep things cool and airy. We also touched upon the simple yet profound power of good hydration, knowing that well-hydrated skin from the inside out is more resilient and comfortable. And finally, we discussed the empowering habit of gentle self-awareness, tuning into your body to notice any changes early on, which truly gives you peace of mind. Remember, these aren't about big, drastic overhauls to your life. They are small, consistent choices that, when adopted daily, can make a profoundly big difference to your comfort, your confidence, and your overall health and happiness. It's about feeling good in your own skin. Literally, it's about avoiding those nagging discomforts that can distract you, disturb your sleep, or simply make you feel less than your best. Many men just put up with these issues, thinking they're unavoidable as they age, but they're not. With these simple adjustments, you can reclaim your comfort and reduce worry. And the real surprise I mentioned at the beginning, it's how quickly these straightforward changes can truly transform your daily comfort and confidence, making you feel years younger and more vibrant. You don't need expensive treatments, complicated routines, or to feel embarrassed about seeking information. Just a little bit of knowledge and consistent gentle care can make all the difference in how you feel day in and day out. Imagine feeling consistently comfortable, free from irritation, and confident in your intimate health. That's the power of these simple habits. It's about giving yourself the care you deserve. I really want to hear from you. Have you experienced any of these issues? Have you made similar changes that have helped? Or do you have your own tips for maintaining comfort and health? Please share your thoughts, experiences, or even your own helpful advice in the comments below. Your insights could be incredibly helpful to someone else watching this video. If this video resonated with you, if you found these tips helpful and illuminating, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel reach more people who could benefit from this important, often unspoken, information. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more practical, empowering advice to help you live your very best life at every age. Remember, taking care of every part of yourself, even the parts we don't often talk about, is a powerful act of self-love and respect. It's about feeling good, having peace of mind, and living your best life, vibrant and comfortable, at every age.